Ever wondered how top athletes and successful entrepreneurs achieve their goals? It's all about visualization. This powerful technique has been a secret weapon for high achievers across various fields, enabling them to see success before it actually happens. Visualization can transform dreams into reality by preparing the mind for triumph. Visualization involves imagining achieving your goals to enhance motivation and performance. By mentally picturing success, you create a clear roadmap for your actions. This mental rehearsal helps you stay focused and committed, making the path to your goals less daunting and more attainable. Studies show that mental imagery can significantly improve actual performance and goal attainment. Scientific research has demonstrated that the brain cannot distinguish between real and imagined experiences. This means that visualizing success can directly influence your abilities, making it a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. Visualization activates the same neural networks as actual physical practice. When you visualize yourself performing an activity, your brain sends signals to your muscles, mimicking the real action. This mental practice strengthens neural pathways, enhancing your skills and making actual performance more efficient and effective. Incorporating visualization techniques into daily routines can boost confidence and clarity. By regularly picturing success, you reinforce positive beliefs about your capabilities. This practice not only enhances your self-assurance, but also provides a clear vision of what you want to achieve, guiding your efforts and keeping you motivated. Start by defining clear, specific goals you want to achieve. Clarity is crucial for effective visualization. Instead of vague aspirations, pinpoint exactly what you want. This precision not only sharpens your mental image, but also provides a concrete target to aim for, making the visualization process more impactful and actionable. Visualize every detail of achieving your goal as vividly as possible. Engage your imagination to create a mental movie where you see yourself succeeding. The clearer and more detailed your mental image, the more powerful the visualization becomes, helping to solidify your goals in your subconscious mind. Practice visualization daily, preferably at the same time each day. Consistency reinforces your intentions and strengthens the neural pathways associated with your goals. By making visualization a regular part of your routine, you create a powerful habit that continually pushes you toward success and keeps your objectives front and center. Engage all your senses to make the visualization more realistic. Don't just see your success, hear it, feel it, and even smell it. The more senses involved, the more immersive and convincing the experience becomes. This multisensory approach enhances the emotional impact, making your goals feel more achievable and tangible. Associate positive emotions with your visualization to increase its effectiveness. Feel the joy, pride, and excitement as if you've already achieved your goal. These positive emotions create a strong motivational pull, reinforcing your commitment and making the visualization process not only more enjoyable, but also more effective in driving real-world results. Keeping a journal of your visualizations and tracking your progress can be incredibly beneficial. Writing down your experiences helps solidify your intentions and allows you to reflect on your growth. This practice can reveal patterns, highlight successes, and pinpoint areas for improvement, ultimately helping you stay motivated and focused. Consistency is crucial for effective visualization. Making it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine ensures that it becomes a habit. The more regularly you practice, the more powerful and natural the visualization process becomes, leading to greater alignment between your mental imagery and real-life achievements. Visualizing career success can significantly boost your motivation and performance. Picture yourself excelling in your job, receiving accolades, or achieving specific career milestones. This mental rehearsal can enhance your confidence, clarify your professional goals, and fuel your drive to take the necessary steps toward your desired career outcomes. Applying visualization techniques to personal goals like fitness or relationships can be transformative. Imagine achieving your fitness targets or having fulfilling interactions with loved ones. This practice not only keeps you focused, but also instills a sense of accomplishment and well-being, making your personal aspirations feel more attainable. Visualizing creative solutions to problems can enhance your problem-solving abilities. By mentally rehearsing various scenarios and outcomes, you train your brain to think more flexibly and innovatively. This technique can help you approach challenges with a fresh perspective and come up with effective, out-of-the-box solutions. Consistency is key. Making visualization a non-negotiable part of your routine ensures steady progress. Daily practice ingrains the habit into your subconscious, creating a powerful mental rehearsal that aligns your actions with your goals. Commit to a specific time each day to strengthen this transformative practice. Visualizing career success can significantly boost motivation and performance. Picture yourself excelling in your field, receiving accolades, and achieving milestones. This mental rehearsal primes your brain for success, making you more confident and focused on your professional aspirations, ultimately translating your visualized achievements into reality. Applying visualization techniques to personal goals such as fitness or relationships can yield remarkable results. Envision your ideal physique or a harmonious relationship, paying attention to every detail. This not only enhances motivation, but also instills a sense of clarity and purpose, driving you to take actionable steps toward your desired outcomes. Use visualization to imagine creative solutions to problems. By picturing various scenarios and outcomes in your mind, you can explore innovative approaches to challenges. This mental exercise fosters flexibility and creativity, enabling you to tackle issues more effectively and find solutions that might not be immediately obvious. Visualizing yourself confidently handling situations can build self-assurance. Whether it's a public speaking engagement or a difficult conversation, mentally rehearsing your success boosts your confidence. This practice helps reduce anxiety and prepares you to face real-life scenarios with a calm and composed mindset, increasing your chances of success. Visualizing yourself confidently handling different situations can significantly boost your self-assurance. Imagine yourself succeeding in scenarios that typically make you nervous, like public speaking or social interactions. This mental practice helps rewire your brain to associate these situations with positive outcomes, making you feel more confident and prepared. Creating calming mental images can effectively reduce stress. Picture yourself in a serene environment, like a beach or forest, to help your mind and body relax. This technique can be used during stressful moments or as part of a daily routine to maintain a sense of calm and balance. Imagining delivering a successful speech can reduce anxiety and improve performance. Picture yourself speaking clearly and confidently, engaging with the audience, and receiving positive feedback. This mental rehearsal helps to alleviate fear and prepares your mind for actual public speaking events, making you more confident and effective. Visualizing yourself mastering new skills or information can enhance learning. Imagine yourself understanding complex concepts, performing tasks proficiently, and recalling information effortlessly. This mental practice reinforces neural pathways related to learning, making it easier to grasp new material and retain knowledge, ultimately improving your academic or professional performance. Following guided visualization exercises available online can provide structure and support to your practice. These exercises often include detailed imagery and prompts that help you focus and deepen your visualization experience. Utilizing these resources can enhance the effectiveness of your visualization, making it easier to achieve your goals and improve your overall well-being. Athletes harness the power of visualization to mentally rehearse their performances, enhancing muscle memory and reducing pre-competition anxiety. By vividly imagining every detail of their actions, they can perfect techniques and strategies. This mental practice complements physical training, allowing athletes to achieve peak performance and gain a competitive edge. Visualizing your ideal weight and fitness goals can keep you motivated on your journey. By picturing yourself achieving your desired body, you strengthen your determination to stick to healthy habits. This mental imagery can make challenging workouts and dietary changes feel more attainable and rewarding. Envisioning financial success can help attract wealth and opportunities into your life. By mentally picturing abundance and prosperity, you reinforce a positive mindset and encourage behaviors that lead to financial growth. This practice can help you stay focused on your financial goals and motivate you to take actionable steps. Artists and writers can use visualization to spark creativity and overcome creative blocks. By imagining their projects completed, they can gain inspiration and clarity. This mental exercise can help bypass periods of stagnation, allowing creative individuals to produce work with greater ease and confidence. Imagining your body healing and thriving can support overall wellness. By picturing yourself in good health, you can foster a positive mindset that encourages healthy behaviors. This mental practice can complement medical treatments and lifestyle changes, promoting a holistic approach to health and well-being. Visualizing peaceful scenarios before bedtime can significantly improve sleep quality. Imagine yourself in a serene environment like a beach or forest, focusing on the sounds, smells, and sensations. This mental escape can relax the mind, making it easier to drift into a deep, restorative sleep. Positive visualization can enhance relationships by fostering constructive interactions and empathy. Picture yourself communicating effectively and understanding your partner's perspective. This practice can improve emotional connections, reduce conflicts, and create a more harmonious relationship as you mentally rehearse positive behaviors and responses. Students can reduce exam anxiety by visualizing success. Imagine entering the exam room with confidence, knowing the answers, and calmly completing the test. This mental rehearsal can boost self-assurance and focus, making the actual exam experience feel familiar and less stressful. Imagining acing job interviews can build confidence and reduce nervousness. Picture yourself answering questions smoothly, engaging with interviewers, and showcasing your skills effectively. This practice can help you mentally prepare for potential scenarios, making you feel more prepared and self-assured during the actual interview. Visualizing smooth and enjoyable travel experiences can make trips more pleasant. Picture yourself navigating airports effortlessly, enjoying your destination, and encountering friendly locals. This mental preparation can reduce travel-related stress and anxiety, helping you remain calm and adaptable during your journey, ensuring a more enjoyable experience overall. Visualization in parenting can transform how you interact with your children. Imagine yourself handling tantrums calmly, fostering open communication, and building strong emotional bonds. By visualizing positive outcomes, you set the stage for a nurturing environment, ultimately helping your children thrive and grow into confident, well-rounded individuals. Common visualization mistakes include lack of detail and inconsistency. To be effective, your mental images should be as vivid and precise as possible. Skipping practice sessions can also hinder progress. Commit to regular visualization, focusing on all sensory details to create a more realistic and impactful experience. Expert tips can elevate your visualization practice. Professionals suggest combining visualization with mindfulness and physical relaxation techniques. Using tools like vision boards or guided exercises can also enhance your experience. Experts emphasize the importance of patience and consistency, as mastering visualization takes time and dedication. Real-life success stories highlight the power of visualization. Athletes, entrepreneurs, and artists have all used mental imagery to achieve their goals. These stories serve as inspiration, showcasing how visualization can overcome obstacles and create opportunities. Knowing others have succeeded can motivate you to incorporate visualization into your daily routine. Start incorporating visualization into your daily routine today. Imagine achieving your goals, overcoming challenges, and experiencing success. With consistent practice, you'll notice increased confidence, motivation, and clarity. Don't wait to unlock your potential. Begin visualizing your dreams and watch as they come to life. Your future self will thank you. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, share your idea, and subscribe to iSkillmind for more great content. Your support helps us create more valuable information to keep you motivated and informed. Join our community and stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for more active lifestyle.